Hi troops, this is Johnny from Ataton, and in this video I'll show how you can navigate the catalog of your hand receipt through Logi. So in this scenario, I'm the Bravo Company Commander, and as you can see on a lot of my hand receipt, there are three vertical dots. Click on those three vertical dots and the menu will pop up at the bottom. The first option is Catalog, second option is Details, the next option is Create Sub-Hand Receipt, which we'll go through in a future video, and the last item is Import Updated Hand Receipt. So in this case, I'll click on Details first because I want to show you the macro level data that you can view on a detail item. So at the top, we have the name. Then from there, you see macro level data such as our UIC, number of NSN groups, items, when it was last modified, number of sub-hand receipts, the creator, and the owner. So I'll go back to that menu, click on Catalog. And now you have a catalog view of every NSN of your hand receipt. So if you notice on the header, there's a back button at the top left. Next to that is the name of the hand receipt. Next to that are two arrows, which is our collapse and expand button. Next to that is an inverted pyramid, which helps us filter our hand receipt by sub hand receipts. And after that is a search icon. So let's say I wanted to collapse and expand items and see them at a serial number level. I'll click on the two arrows up top and boom, I have all my items at the serial number level. And let's say I want to select items. So if I clicked on the NSN, it'll select all three. If I deselect the NSN, it'll select all of the items. But let's say I want to focus on one specific serial number. So I'll click on the serial number that I want to focus on, and it selects that one serial number. Okay, so if you notice, when I click on an NSN or a serial number, a menu at the bottom populates. So I orient you to that menu. So to the left, on the left side of that menu, you see an arrow. That's our back arrow. Next to that is a number 2. That's how many serial numbers we have selected. To the right of that, you see a clipboard with a 4-pointer arrow. That is how we're going to generate our DA forms. To the right of that is a calculator. That is how we're going to generate our spreadsheet. And then you'll see some more vertical line dots. And this brings up a menu where you can assign items to sub-hand receipt and tag your items. So my items are currently tagged at stay. Let's say I want to deselect them and take that tag off. I'll click on tag your items, select stay, and now stay is deselected. And I'll put them in go. Now they're in go. So this concludes the video on how to navigate the catalog of your hand receipt. From here, I will show you a future video where you can create a sub hand receipt and assign items, and then also be able to upload pictures and photos. But those are in future videos. Take care and see you in the next video.